Hello guys, today's our topic is on blood supply to kidney. We will start from the abdominal aorta. We can see here the central axis. This abdominal aorta is shifted toward the left side. So this right renal artery, which is direct branch on the abdominal aorta, is a longer one than the left renal artery. This right renal artery is further divided into two divisions, the anterior right renal artery and the posterior right renal artery. These both branches will supply the kidney into the 75% and the 25% ratio. These both branches further divide into the 5 segmental arteries. This segmental artery further divided into the interlobar arteries. We can see here this interlobar artery further divide into the arcuate arteries. We will mention here this arcuate artery will turn 90 degree and further divide into the interlobular arteries. This interlobular artery further divide into the afferent arterioles. This afferent arteriole will form the capillary meshwork. This capillary meshwork will form filtration part of the nephron. We can also call this glomerulus. These capillaries join to form the efferent arterioles. These efferent arteriole divide into the peritubular capillary meshwork and the vasa recta. This peritubular capillary meshwork will supply the outer 2/3 of the renal cortex of kidney. This is actually the kidney. This is a cortex part of the kidney, and these shady areas are the medullary pyramids of kidney. So this peritubular capillary meshwork will supply the outer 2/3 of the cortex. So the outer 2/3 of the cortex is supplied by this peritubular capillary meshwork. And the branch of the efferent arteriole is a vasa recta also. This vasa recta will supply the inner 1/3 of the cortex and medullary pyramids. We can see here the medullary pyramids and the inner 1/3 of the cortex. And this is supplied by the vasa recta. This whole is a arterial blood supply to the kidney. Thank you.